What's up, guys? Today I've got a quick video on showing you how you can make your own Valentines on your Cricut. Now I was inspired by this from some things that I saw on Etsy, and I particularly like this design because it can hold your crayons. So I'm really excited to show you the designs I've come up with, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to my blog and grab my free SVG files. So I've given you guys 2 different ones to play around with for free, and then at the end of the video I will show you 5 other designs that you can purchase if you would like to make other designs. Alright, so let's get started. Let's upload our designs, and the one we're going to be working with today is this owl design here. So nice and easy, all you have to do is upload it. Now when you first download the file, it may look like there's like no background, but that's because it's white, okay? So don't be alarmed. Just unzip the file, upload the SVG, and you'll see it here when you upload the image. And the dino one is also included for free, and then the rest here I have in a package for you if you want to go ahead and pick up. Alright, so when you load it in, I have tried to organize this to make it as simple as possible for you guys. And all you need to do is ungroup everything, because everything is in a big group right now. We're going to ungroup that. And you'll see these 4 layers here. These are the tabs to hold the crayon, okay? So we're not going to touch those quite yet. We're going to grab this grouping down here, which is basically everything else already grouped together for you. And I'm going to flatten this. Okay, now what this is going to allow me to do is this turns this background here into a print and cut. Now you can technically take these layers and draw this on instead, but you're going to have to do some filling in here, and it's going to look a little bit kind of bulky, but it is possible. So if you decide you want to do that instead, then instead of flattening it, what you can do is you can take these layers here and you can change this from cut to draw, okay? And you'll see that it's outlined the text there, so it will draw now everything. So if you convert all the layers here to draw instead of what I did with flatten, then you can do like a draw then cut. Alright, so let's go back to my print then cut. We're gonna flatten this. Next, we're going to drag our tabs above this layer. So I'm actually going to put this on the bottom. That's easier. Now we're going to select everything. So I just do Command A, my MacBook, or it's Control A on Windows. And we are going to attach this. And what attach does, in case you haven't seen any of my other videos, is it basically tells Cricut that these tabs need to be cut relative to this background, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna not know where to cut these tabs. So now it knows, like, cut this like relative here on the background. All right, now all we need to do is head over to Make It, and it's going to prompt you once again. You can't see the border anymore, but it will cut out, I promise. And when you send this to printer, I just want to show you one thing. Make sure you turn off the bleed, okay? If you turn on the bleed, it's gonna like print everything really thick and with a bleed on it, so it's not gonna look as clean. So yeah, remove the bleed when you go to print this. Okay, so we're gonna follow the prompts here. We're gonna print, and then I like to use my heavy cardstock setting to cut it out, and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Alright, so I have cut out my Valentine on my mat, and it's nice and easy. Just take off the outside, carefully remove the card itself. The holes, yeah, they kind of pop right off, so that's awesome. And there we have it. So all you have to do is pull the tabs up. And I wanted to show you real quick that this does fit both the regular size crayons, it's the regular size one, and the large ones as well. So the large ones are a tighter fit, which might be better if you're handing it out because it won't like fall out like the smaller ones will. but it does hold both. So if you want a tighter fit for the smaller ones, you'll have to shrink it down a little bit, but there we have it. So we've got the dinosaur one. That one's also free for you guys to cut out. And then I've got 5 other ones here for you that you can purchase. So this is a bundle. This is a bundle that I put together for you guys. And yeah, just head over to my blog and there's links for that as well. All right, I hope you guys liked this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Goodbye.